the fact that, like, I mean, they're able to cater to people as dark as I am. The price is really something else. It's just £7.50. Come on, for a bottle of foundation. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of requests. I've gotten a couple of requests to do an e.l.f. foundation review, and yeah, I decided to, you know, go to the store. So I went to Boots and then I purchased this, and I also got a primer and an eyeliner. So they were as at the time I went, they were doing like 3 for the price of 2. So you pick 3 products but you get to pay for 2. That means the third one is for free. So I picked the shade in MOCHA, and we'll try it out together and then we'll see what it looks like on my skin. Fingers crossed I picked the correct shade. Let's get straight to business. The primer I got is the Poreless Face Primer. This is what it looks like. So let's open it. So, oh well, pardon me. Oh yeah, so there it is. I'll just I don't know if I took a lot though, but it feels, in my opinion, it feels slightly greasy, but you can tell that, like, it has this, like, would I say velvety finish, but it feels slightly greasy and a bit heavy on my face. So I'm trying to open the foundation, and yeah, it's like this. It's a glass bottle, and it has a pump. So I'm trying to shake it, and then let's see, 1, 2. Okay, and it has a thick consistency. So I'll just use let me see what these 2 pumps will give me. There, it's quite thick and it doesn't have like an overpowering scent, and this seems to go on well. So that's what this side looks like, and then this side. So it's not, I made a good choice after all. I actually didn't have a choice. This was the darkest shade and it seemed really close to my skin tone, and for some reason 2 pumps didn't work, so I'll go in with 2 more pumps. This is the, like, first time I'm ever getting a foundation that is, let's say, slightly darker than I am, but I'd rather the foundation is darker than my original shade than it's too light. If it's light, it will be too ashy. So now I'll be contouring my face with the Fenty Beauty contour Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 450. So I mean, the the foundation isn't, well, for now, like, I mean, as I was applying it, I thought to myself, I said, at the end of the day, this foundation only costs £7.50, whereas the average cost of foundation, let's say MAC, Fenty, and you know the rest, they cost about from £22 and above. Meanwhile, this costs £7.50, a fraction of the other foundation. So yeah, it's not bad, but the thing is, you will run out of it quickly because you would need a couple of pumps for full coverage. This isn't full coverage, it's buildable, so you have to use, like, I mean, go over it a couple of times to get the kind of coverage you have. So to be fair, like, I mean, it's okay since you're paying like a fraction of the cost what would you normally pay when you're buying your regular foundation. This is the first time I'm using like about 3.5 pumps of foundation to like get a good coverage on my skin. Normally I would do with 1 at most 2 pumps, and that will give me the like required amount of coverage I would need. So I'll be contouring my face with my good old Zaron face definer. This is the darkest shade, the darkest contour kit. So I'll just quickly contour my face. This video is basically reviewing the e.l.f. foundation and nothing too serious. So if you want to see like more detailed makeup application, check my previous videos. And to set my entire face, I'll be going in with my favorite setting powder, the Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'll just use it to set my entire face like so. So I'll go on ahead and quickly do my eyes, do just nothing too serious. So this is another product I got from when I went to get the foundation. This is your eye pencil or waterproof gel eyeliner. So let's give it a try, and it comes in that casing. So let's see. Oh, and it's really dark. That's nice. So I'm just going to use it to line my eyes. So I'm done with my lashes. Let's go in with a bit of highlighter, the gold deposit from MAC, then some sleek blusher in the shade Flushed. I don't know if it's me or what, but I just feel like going over my face once again with powder. I feel like the primer, my gosh, Oluchi, what have you done? I feel like the primer might just not be the appropriate one for me. So it's just, I don't know, I don't feel it feels heavy. That's just it. That's the right word. It feels heavy on my skin. You know, as they say, one man's meat is another man's poison. It might just work well for you, but for me, it doesn't cut it. Doesn't do it. Then I'm going to quickly do my lips. Let me brush my hair and I'll see you guys. So what do I have to say about the foundation? What do I think about the foundation? Honestly, the foundation is a good bargain. I mean, it's just £7.50. I must say I'm quite impressed with the foundation. The fact that they're able to cater to people as dark as I am, that's a plus. And again, the price is really something else. It's just £7.50. Come on, for a bottle of foundation, and you get like 20 ml worth of foundation. And I don't know if it's oil free, but it seems oil free to me. But the thing is that you would need like quite a few pumps to get yourself full coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation. Let me see, does it say it's full coverage? No, it just says flawless finish foundation, and I agree with the word flawless. Like, it has this flawless finish to it. But I would say maybe I regret buying this. This is their poreless face primer. For me personally, it didn't just work for me. It felt so greasy, and then it felt quite heavy. I feel like I'm going to get really oily. One man's meat is another man's poison. This is, in my opinion, and like I said, this is an honest review. Subsequently, I'll try this foundation with another primer. So what else do I have to say about it? Yes, I like the finish of the foundation. It's really nice, and the consistency is thick, and yes, and it doesn't have like an overpowering scent. It's, as in like the smell, it's barely there. I mean, unless you've got really sensitive nose. And then what else? Yeah, the eyeliner, I really like the eyeliner. It's a good one. It's a good one, but I don't remember how much I bought it. It's okay. I mean, if you want to get it, by all means, you can go and grab a bottle for £7.50. And yeah, that's going to be all about this foundation. So basically, I have to end this video now. If you've got any suggestions, like any videos you'd like to see on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know. Drop them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next one.